Are you worried about sending emails to invalid addresses which could damage and ruin your email reputation? Well, here at Warmy, we specialize in optimizing email deliverability. Well, now with our new free email validation tool, you can use it and optimize your email list, making sure all emails are clean. And when you send an email, there are no issues because they're already valid by our new free tool. Statistics on invalid emails are very common, and in a recent study, up to 21% of all emails sent didn't go to legitimate emails, which meant they ended up in spam or they bounced back. So you want to make sure this isn't a problem for you and your email list. Whilst many businesses are aware that they have invalid emails that, when you send an email, it bounces back, they're not actually aware of the damage that is doing to their sender reputation. Hence again, this is an issue that you need to solve. With Warmy's new email validation tool, you can check your email list, making sure that all of these emails are clean, and if any aren't clean and there's an issue with them, well, you know about it and you can extract them from the list. And with just a few simple clicks, you can optimize your email list, removing any dead emails, making sure that when you next send your emails for an email marketing campaign or anything else related to this, you know you are in safe hands and that all of the emails will reach the intended destination, which is their inboxes. All you want to do is simply upload your email list and our tool will instantly go through and process all of the emails in that list, checking if they're good or if they're broken and don't work anymore. And then you will receive a report, and inside that report, you will see a validated list of emails that are still good to use, knowing that when you send an email to them, they will go to the inbox. And the overall point of this is that it's quick and easy and seamless to integrate into your workflow. Using our tool will optimize your email deliverability rate and increase and protect at the same time your email reputation. Our users typically see a significant decrease in their bounce rate and a big increase in their email deliverability rate, but also an engagement rate, which means their emails are being opened by their customers. So are you ready to protect your email reputation and make sure that all the email addresses on your contact list are optimized and clean? Then sign up for our 7-day free trial where you can try this free tool out right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.